Hi, I'm Michael Chen, co-head of Direct Equity at Future Standard. When most investors think about AI today, most of the focus is on the enablers, model developers, hyperscalers, chip makers, and the companies tied to the build-out. Those companies are primarily in the large cap public market and now account for more than half of the S&P 500's market cap. We believe the next phase of the opportunity will look very different. As AI expands more broadly and deeply into the real economy, we expect the opportunity to broaden from the companies building AI to the companies using it to drive productivity and growth. And that's where we think the middle market private equity players can play a critical role. Middle market private equity managers have a long history of helping small and mid-sized businesses adopt new technologies, especially those that have historically underinvested in IT. Research shows that when firms are acquired in buyouts, they increase technology spending by 33% over the following 2 years compared to their non-PE-backed competitors. That speed of adoption is critical for a technology diffusing at a really rapid pace. In my role, I work alongside private equity sponsors to identify and scale attractive middle market businesses. I've seen firsthand how AI can redesign core functions and workflows to drive real operational improvements. Private equity sponsors are especially well positioned to accelerate that process. They can share best practices across portfolio companies, turn strategies into repeatable playbooks, and apply those lessons across portfolio companies. And mid-sized firms are often the best canvas for that integration. They tend to be leaner, more agile, and earlier in their growth curve. And in my experience, that makes it easier to implement change quickly, realize productivity gains sooner, and scale those gains across the business. So while the first phase of the AI cycle is defined by companies building the technology and the physical infrastructure underneath it, we believe the next phase will be defined by those implementing it, particularly in the middle market, where AI can have the greatest and quickest impact on business growth. Read our research to see how to access this opportunity.